Alright, in this lecture we're going to create our Xcode project. The project is where we're going to have all our files to create the casino slot app. Okay, so let's press Command space. That will bring up the spotlight. That's one way to bring it up, or you can just select the spotlight on the top right corner of your menu screen right there. Okay, and here start to type Xcode. Okay, and as soon as you type that, then Xcode beta or your Xcode will appear. Now I'm going to take the beta because as of right now, when I'm doing this, only the beta version has the Watchkit frameworks. Okay, so I'm going to click on Xcode beta. Okay, so double click there and that will launch it. Alright, so first of all you want to make sure that the version that you have is at least 6.2. If it's not, then you need to go back and download the right version of Xcode. Alright, so anything above 6.2 will work. Alright, so let's create our project. We can just do right here, create a new Xcode project. That's one way, or file, new, and project. Okay, but I'm just going to click right here, create a new Xcode project. Okay, so what you want to do is select a single view application. Once you do that, click on next. All right, and in the product name, just give the name of the project we're creating. Right now, I'm going to call it slot watch slot app Swift. Okay, so I know that it's made with Swift, and in the language make sure you select Swift. Now the rest, it's up to you. The organization name, you don't have to put anything. The organization identifier, you don't have to put it now, you can put that anytime later. All right, and devices universal. Click on next. Now it's asking where you want to save that. I personally want to save it under my watch projects. Okay, so you can create a new folder called watch projects if you plan on making more watch apps. Okay, casino slots, and I do have, okay, there we go. Alright, so the project is created, but as of right now this is not made for making watch apps. This is just a regular Swift project, so let's tweak this to make it for watch app specifically. Alright, so go on groups and files and click on the watch slot app Swift and do file, new, target. Okay, as soon as you do that, under iOS you will see Apple Watch and select watch app. These templates build a watch app with an associated Watchkit app extension. That's what we want. So this is the Watchkit extension. Click on next. Now the product name is automatically generated for you. They basically add watch app to it. Organization name, you don't have to change anything. Language Swift. Do not include a notification scene nor an include glance scene. We don't need these. Now save that in the project and embed it in the application. Yes. Alright, and click on finish. And there we go. Now we want to make sure that this is working. So open the watch slot app Swift watch app, this folder right here. You will see the interface.storyboard. Okay, so this is the interface. Now in this in the bottom right corner right here you should have a search. If you don't have the search, just make sure you add this right here. Okay, by clicking on the panel right here, and here type label. Okay, and we're gonna drag and drop this label, and we're gonna double click here and type hello world and press enter. Once you do that, we're gonna select you go right here in the scheme and select watch slot watch app. Okay, and select it for iPhone 5 or any other phones, that's no problem, and click on play. Okay, once you do that, this is going to compile and launch it. Now there's a bug in this version, it's not going to pop, but the simulator is right here below. Okay, so just click on the simulator and the Apple Watch appears. Now if you do not see that, that means that you need to click right here under iOS simulator hardware, external displays, and put the 42mm one for the Apple Watch. Okay, now I don't want you to use the 38, I want you to use the 42. The reason why is that the image that I'm going to use in the future are going to be for the 42 ones. I'm not going to do the one for the 38 as of right now. So as you can see, there's a bug. The Apple Watch did not launch. Okay, nothing happens here. So I'm going to press play again and Command Tab to show it, and that should launch the Apple Watch. And there we go. Okay, so the beta version is a bit buggy. I don't know if the version you're using will be buggy. Depends on when you're doing it. but remember that it's buggy, so if you don't see anything happening sometimes, that's why I like to have a hello world example to see if it's working or not. Okay, so far so good. We have our project for the watch and it's showing. So we can move on to the next lecture.